Let me show you how to factory reset Windows 11. The same process is also applicable to Windows 10. You tap on left shift button and hold, right? You continue to hold, then you come to Windows logo right here. Then right click on the Windows logo, then come here, then click on restart, right? So you continue to hold on the left shift button until please wait a message will pop up, right? I can release my finger. The purpose of this is to access the advanced option tools. So here are the options. Now, I go to troubleshoot. Yeah, this troubleshoot. Look at this. This is reset this PC. So this is the option that you go for. All right, reset this PC. Here is keep my files. But if you want to reset your PC, that means you remove everything. But you can reset your PC such that your files will be intact. So what will it do? It will remove applications, blah, blah, blah. It will keep your personal files, like videos, like documents, music, blah, blah. All those will be retained. But about programs, installed programs, everything will be removed. Why this remove everything is going to remove all the personal files and everything. So this is how to do it. So let me say if I want to keep my files, I can click on this. All right. Now look at this. Look at the options. Here says a cloud download. That is if I want a fresh copy of Windows. I don't want the one that is on this PC. So you can, download and reinstall Windows. So you're going to download another Windows and install it. That is going to take longer time. And you need to be connected to the internet. So local reinstall is, okay, it's going to make use of this thing, get it ready, blah, blah. But I will stop it midway. I will not let it to go. All right, so that's how you go about it. And as for the other options, as it is, I can't go to the other options. Okay, look at the list that it brings us, blah, blah, change settings back to your default, restore Windows from this device, remove all applications and programs that didn't come with this PC, as mentioned before, blah, blah. So if I want to go ahead, I can just click reset, but I'm not going ahead. I'm not going ahead. So, okay, back to troubleshoots, back to reset this PC. So yes, remove everything, right? So this one is going to remove every damn thing on the PC. And the same thing, is it local restore or cloud, blah, blah. And click on local reinstall. So it's going to, tell me, okay, just remove my files. That is if I want to delete, I don't want to remove my program, just files, just delete them. Why this on full clean is to just wipe my drive. All right, I don't want any of that. Okay, so I just press and hold power button just to turn this off. Yeah, okay, so that's how you go about it.